Hi everyone, I am Shiva Chaitanya, Oracle trainer. In this video, I want to cover one Oracle interview question, that is, what is foreign key? What is foreign key? See, this foreign key constraint can accept primary key values of another table. Primary key values of another table. So to establish foreign key, two tables are required here. So this foreign key column can accept primary key values of another table. See, for example, here one table is there. One computer institute is maintaining courses like this, course ID, course name like this. So 10 is the course ID for Java. 20 is the course ID for Python. 30 is the course ID for C#. So like this course table has course IDs. So when student joined in the course, they are maintaining student details like this: student ID, student name and course ID. So here student ID 1001, student name A, he joined in 30th course I am writing. So 30, is this course available? Yes, 30 means he joined in the C#. 1002 student, B student, this student joined in the 10th course, means he joined in the Java. 1003 student, C student, he joined in 90th course I am writing. Is 90th course available here? Institute is not offering any 90th course. If this data is accepted, this is problem. So we need to restrict the user from entering this kind of invalid data. So here if user is entering other than this 10, 20, 30, we have to raise the error. We don't want to accept this data. For this, here this course ID we set as the primary key and this course ID we set as the foreign key. Here this course ID is foreign key. If we set this course ID as the foreign key here, it accepts only these primary key values of course table. So to set foreign key, we use the keyword references. We write like this: references. So which tables data we want to accept? Course table. So write course. So course tables, which column data we want to accept? CID values. So course of CID. Like this we write. So now with this, this foreign key refers to primary key values of another table, means only these three values will be accepted in this foreign key column. If we enter other than those three values, it gives error. So if we enter 90 like this, it raises error because this CID column can accept only course table course ID values. So finally the conclusion is foreign key accepts these primary key values of another table. And remember that foreign key accepts duplicates. In one course, any number of students can be joined. For example, I am inserting one more record here. 1004 record I am inserting. 1004. D student, the student joined in 10th course. So many students can join in the same course. So foreign key can accept duplicates and foreign key can accept the nulls also. For example, 1005 student, E student, in which course he joined I don't know. I am giving null, so it accepts nulls. Foreign key opposite of primary key. Primary key does not accept duplicates and nulls. Foreign key can accept nulls and duplicates.